Welcome to Glow with Juliana. If you want to glow your skin without chemicals, you are family now. So let's glow our skin together. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 natural foods that you can use and your skin will glow like magic. Look at it. We have avocado, number 1. We have pawpaw, which is papaya, number 2. Then we have orange. These are natural food that you see in the market every day, but you'll be surprised on what it can do to your skin, to glow your skin. Avocado. The avocado is packed with natural. In fact, it's packed with healthy fats. This healthy fat helps your skin to hold water, which means that when your skin is moisturized, it won't be dry. Then when you now eat it regularly, it makes your skin feel plumpy and glowing. Avocado rejuvenates the skin. Avocado also helps to support skin repair. The vitamin E and the healthy fat in avocado help your skin barrier. That means less irritation. If you're having irritation on your skin and you eat avocado regularly, you eat it regularly, you will see less irritation. You will see the irritation healing. You can eat every day, but I don't suggest you eat every day. You can eat it like, let me say, 3 or 4 times in a week. Just like this, 3 or 4 times in a week, and you will see the result. That is for avocado. This is pawpaw. The pawpaw exfoliates the skin. It breaks down the dead skin cells. There's something that we call scrub. You know that when you do scrub, it's exfoliating your skin. That is on the surface. That is exactly what this pawpaw does. You eat pawpaw, your skin is healthy. You eat pawpaw, pawpaw exfoliates your skin as well on the surface. What this means is that less dead skin cells. The pawpaw also repair rough patches on the skin. When you're having rough patches on the skin, when you eat pawpaw regularly, the pawpaw makes the skin feel more smoother. The pawpaw also helps to brighten a dull skin. When your skin is exfoliated, it won't be any longer dull. Exfoliate their skins and make the skin brighter. That is the pawpaw for you. Then let's talk about orange. The orange helps your body to build collagen. The collagen makes your body to feel more tighter. It tightens your skin and makes it more brighter. This orange we are seeing here is filled with vitamin C. And you all know what vitamin C does to the body. If you don't know, go to the comment section and ask me what you need to know about vitamin C. But vitamin C is good for the skin. So this orange is loaded with vitamin C and the vitamin C, and it also helps you to produce collagen, the collagen that makes your skin to be tighter. It also helps to brighten and even the skin.